We will be in Pantanon. That's our UCM. Parang naging annual outing natin because the Pantanon resort is sila ni Jordan, the owner, is willing to do that for us every year. So the entrance is free, the use of the facilities is free, and they will also serve lunch for us. So sila na rin ang serve sa lunch. But ang plano natin is we will just go there on our own. Kay kisay nang upod-upod sa atin, sabad kayo ibang late. Ako sa piton mo pa to, hindi malagali magkamot. Late ka pa. Tapos kaya katultol mo tayo magkat sa Pantanon na. Ang hindi katultol, hindi siya kaupod siya. But if you will commute going to Pantanon, accessible man lang jeep. I think ang sakyo niya is you're going to San Carlos pa. Last year. So the series, makikita na series. So we plan to be there by 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock sa Pantanon. Ang CBN Asia will be there with us. So maybe they will also take pictures of us and feature some of our activities sa ilang CBN 700 Club. So that would be part of the and at the same time dito sa Pantanon para sa mga chess enthusiasts, we will have a little parang small time na lang nga tournament. So it's supposed to be ang aton nga desire na kada city, every city may duha ka representative. Pero we are not sure if everybody will be represented. So ano na lang we will make it open for all.